to see 19 um, things that is like problems. The is the yes, the proposal, justification, prototype name, description of the prototype, objective, functioning, viability, benefits, methodology, results, effectiveness, photos and videos, what we learned, difficulties, conclusion, and the last references. The problem. In Nuevo León, many households receive water that is very dirty or like contaminated, and families in that is urban and rural, we they have water that have like particles like sand or things that is coming from the old place or some sources that contaminate the water. And the current solutions like the water filters are advances purification are expensive, and they like need there is a simple low cost and particle and things that improve the quality of water and that have for daily use. And the sustainable development goals, that is the SDG, which is 3, that is the SDG 6, that is clean water and sanitization, that is so improves the water quantity. The SDG 3, that is good health and well-being, that is clean water and the SDG 13, that is climate action, that minimize the waste of water.
And basically, the proposal, what do you think it is? Clean water. Okay, the clean water basically you use fuel, in this case a bubble, and you put it in this bottle that is water filter, and basically clean the water. That's the proposal, is to be access of all the people, and that's basically how is the proposal. The justification is to the community of Nuevo León can use these fields to things that you need in yes, that thing, and you do the field and that function like 30 minutes. That is the justification that is basically that use is expensive and support environmental sustainability. And the name of the prototype is water field.
Description of the prototype. Well, the prototype consists of a small tablet that includes the following: activated carbon, isopropyl alcohol, baking soda, and has a square shape. When added to 1 liter of clean water, the wheel falls apart and releases CO2. The activated carbon, well, the carbon activates the carbon and helps the particles settle while reducing odors. The objectives. These are reduced turbidity and visible particles, neutralize unpleasant smells, provide a low-cost cleaning solution, improve the usability of water household tasks, and test the acceptance among the local farmers. And the function. The table falls apart from the contact with the water. CO2 bubbles help dispersing ingredients through the water. The activated carbon absorbs the odors, causing compounds, and the water becomes clearer and more suitable for use.
Well, viability. Our tablet uses common common, affordable, and affordable ingredients, making the manufacturing easy for the ones who want to recreate this project. It's probably is portable and has a low cost, so it's easy for many people to have access and to recreate later. Also, it's compact, so for the people to transport and give it to persons that really need it, and so that it's not really difficult to get there, and for them to understand how it works. The benefits are that it improves clarity in the smell of water. It's affordable and easy to use. It's portable and does not require any special equipment. It reduces reliance on bottled water, and it's practical for daily household tasks. It's not portable, so it means that you can't drink that water, but you can use it to wash dishes, for watering plants, for cleaning the floors, etc. Well, this is the methodology, which is basically how we created this project. So we chose the formula based on the fluctuation, absorption, and effervescence theories. Also, we chose the ingredients, which are the carbon, the alcohol, and the flocculant. So we press tablets. We mix the compounds, we press the tablets, and then we make some trials. The first two times they weren't so well. They didn't function correctly, so we tried a third time, and it's the one that we got here. So we test the pill in 1 liter of water, of dairy water, and we can see here. This is the first the dirty water, and this is the result after some time. So we measure turbidity, other reaction time, and visual clarity. Here we talk about the results. So when the activated carbon tablet was placed in the dirty water, it started an effervescence, and it was making all the dirtiness of the water compress and going to the bottom of the bottle. So this process reduce the cloudiness of the water and help eliminate the most visible particles and dirtiness. I have to say it again. This water is not potable, so you can't drink it.
Okay, so the improvements that we can make here in the tablets that you can see here is the thickness. In this case, we have a very fragile ones that you pick up with a lot of awareness that it is going to break down. But we could adjust the thickness of the tablet for it to dissolve faster or slower in the water. Also, increasing the activated carbon, in this case for the odors to go away. The activated carbon, we know that eliminates these kind of particles that make something to smell bad because of the all the mixtures that we have here in the tablet. Okay, so testing stronger or natural flocculants. In this case, the flocculants are the things that make something more thicker or more dense or more fragile. It is like the mixture that makes something to be the way it is. And modifying the protective coat, as I already told you, it is very fragile for it to pick up. So we could put something for it to be more light and more solid for it to put not break down. Okay, so the effectiveness. This case, the prototype is effective because of the reducing of the cloudiness. The helping the dirt settle, as Alex already told you, it is here. All the dirt that settle down because of these tablets. It is more easy for you to make contacts, and as we already told you, you cannot drink this water. It's not purified at all, but you can use it in other things of the house. Here is the before and here is the after. after, I don't know, 1 hour? 1 hour, 2 hours. So, and what did you learn? In this case, how turbidity works. The turbidity and how particles can be grouped through flocculation. Flocculation is how the particles group down and then they become very dense and they settle down through the bottom of the water, How activated carbon improves water appearance and smells. As I already told you, the carbon activated makes something to look better or makes something to smell less because of their components. How the effervescence reactions help to mix down the components. As I already told you, the mix of the air, of the water, and the bubbles help to mix down without the necessity to mix manually. And how to test the variables like turbidity, odor, and reaction time. I didn't tell you that turbidity is like how the cloudiness or the hazardiness of something in a liquid.
The difficulties.
One of the difficulties we had with this project was that the time reactions were really slow. It took like 1 hour to 2 hours per experiment, making it almost impossible to make more than one experiment in a day in being a team. Then the other problem we had that the tablets are very delicate, and if you try to pick them up while they are not fully dry, they crumble. And finally, it stains a lot because due to the carbon powder, it makes a lot of mess. In conclusion, our water pills project provides a low-cost, portable, and practical cleaning tablet for the families in Nuevo León or any other countries that need easily cleaning water.
Here we have the reference that we use to have information on quality and so we are gonna do the demonstration.
It's like how it should look before it's really cloudy, and how it looks after 2 to 3 hours.
We can
all
see
the dust, all the dirt is set on the water.
It takes just 1 hour to notice a difference between the colors.
To start, like when you put the tablet here, it starts after an hour bubbling, and then it starts like all the dirt starts to settle down. We gotta mix a lot with the water. This is how it should look like. The activated carbon should be like compressing all the dirt and making it more dense, making it fall all the particles to look like this, more clean. This is the problem.
I even wear gloves. But anyway, it seems good. It seems good results.
Yeah, that was our STEM project. Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank you,
your
guys.
Thank you.